So assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope y'all are fine. As is the third part of breakfast recipe. You know that from the thumbnail, I'm gonna make today cheese veggie omelette. So first of all we have to need onions. You can use a normal onion also, it's depend on you. Well, I'm using green onion and it's green part. Some nicely chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon of chopped cabbage, some chilies, green chilies, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tomatoes. I'm taking 1 egg. So the second step is take a bowl and break the egg first. Now I'm adding these all ingredients. Add the capsicum, onions, cabbage. Make sure these all things are nicely chopped. Green chilies and tomatoes. Okay, so now I'm gonna add salt. So I'm adding salt to taste. Make sure it's use enough amount of salt because of these vegetables. I'm using half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and if you want, it's optional, so take half teaspoon of red chili powder. So now I'm gonna mix it very well, then I'll show you. So now it's completely whisked now. Heat up the pan, half teaspoon of oil, it's enough, and rotate it like this so the oil completely goes all the corners. Let it warm first. Add the whole egg mixture and nicely spread it. Now it's completely spread. Now I'm gonna cover it for 2 minutes so it will be cooked perfectly. I'm using sliced cheddar cheese. Look, because of covering it, it's perfectly cooked. Now I'm gonna flip it. It's flipped now, and we have to now put the cheese slices on the top of the omelette. Now cover it so the cheese will get melted, and make sure it's on the low flame, because we only have to just melt the cheese, not to burn the omelette. So as you can see, our omelette is perfectly done. The cheese is melted and the omelette is also cooked. Now I'm gonna serve it, dish out, and just give it a cut. As you can see, it's so cheesy and so hot, and it's really awesome in taste. You guys, whenever you try this, make sure comment on the video if you like it. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. If you like the video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, comment, share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.